Hello friends, if you're interested in any of these products, say Haftpflichtversicherung, private liability insurance, or Rechtsschutzversicherung, which is legal protection insurance, or you want to change your Krankenversicherung to private, or you want to invest, say, in a private pension fund, or even if you want a bank loan, please do click on the link below so that you can contact me directly through WhatsApp so that I can connect you to the right people in order to help you reach the service. So this could also be helpful for the channel. So now let's go on to the content. So hi friends, so this is your friend Arun again. So today we're going to talk about the new traffic rules that has been in place from yesterday, that is 28th of October. So I'm just going to give you a short gist on the new rules so that you have to be careful when you start driving to work or anywhere and avoid paying the heavy fines. So before I move on with the main content, for those who are new, I'm Arun. I make videos like these, updates, scholarships and so on. You can check out my channel. Also, you can connect to one of the biggest Telegram groups or WhatsApp groups. All the links to social pages is available in the comment and description section. So let's go on quickly to the content. So the first thing I want to tell is there has been in the previous videos I have already spoken about the possible loss that is coming for cyclists and how much distance we have to maintain from a cyclist when we are driving a car. So now there also has been rules for other participants of the traffic. So the thing is, if you're a car driver and then you're driving at a particular speed, the first one is concerning the amount of speed you can vary. Say if there is a speed limit of 50 and then you drive say like 60, 70, 80, 90 in case, what will be the fine, or how much is the fine amount and how much points you will get for that, and also how much of traffic ban. So as you can see on the chart which is now on the screen, you can see that if you drive more than 25 kilometers range, say in a prescribed area with 50 kilometers per hour, you're driving with 71 kilometers per hour, then you could face a driving ban of 1 month in the particular area. So please be very careful, make sure you know what is happening and drive with the particular thing. So the next question you comes is, okay, I have my Blitzer app, which is called in Germany. So it's like the ones that find the places where they have the speed sensors, or it's also called as radar detectors. So these apps are like technically banned or prohibited to be used. So if you use that and they found it, then you might have to face a fine of almost 70 euros. Either you have it on your smartphone or on your navigation system. These things are currently not anymore allowed. So don't say like I have my app, I can avoid this problem. No, it's not. So please be very careful and don't end up paying a huge amount of fine. So the next section which we will see is the new laws which has come recently for in the traffic section. So mainly one is regarding the emergency lane. So like shown in this small example which I took from ADAC, you can see that if anybody is not leaving path for the emergency vehicles to pass through, or if they are driving behind the emergency vehicle, which has also happened in the past, these people will have to face a lot of fine. So this was initially 200, so at least a minimum of 240 euros has to be paid, along with a possible driving ban also and points in your book added to it. So this is very serious crime. Please don't do it, and if there is anything, please avoid it as much as possible. So the next is, say if you're like in the picture, you cannot park normally parallel to an already parked car. So normally in small communities we do this in order to load or unload items, but now even this is kind of very highly prohibited. So initially it was having a fine of 15 euros and 20 euros depending on whether you're waiting or parking or something, but now it has been also increased to 55 euros, and in some cases it can go up to 70 euros and also a point on your book. So this is very important, so please try avoiding that. Next is the same case, a car parked near another car, but if this particular path is especially for a cyclist, it's a protected path, then you will have the same fine which I mentioned earlier, another 55 euros taken away from your bank account. So please ensure you don't do these kind of mistakes. Another point regarding if you're having a very heavy vehicle only. So if you're turning a car, say for example, or it's also applicable for cars. So when you're turning a car towards the right and there is a particular zone and the pedestrian is crossing, make sure you drive at speed of walking speed 7 to 11 kilometers per hour, so that you can see the people coming, and then it ensures their safety as well as you have a clear vision. So this is very highly prioritized. So these are all the several things which I have come across regarding the traffic rules which you need to follow. Another thing which I would say quite important is we normally park at roads which is like far away from an intersection, say a junction. So the prescribed amount of distance right now is 5 meters, but if you are not sure or if you have a thing, please do, or when it is not mentioned, always try to park from now on at least 8 meters from these junctions, because now the rule has changed. You have to keep a distance of 8 meters. So if there is a board, it's fine. I think they'll change it probably soon, or it's already changed. If it's not, please to ensure you have 8 meters or probably 10 meters, just to be sure you don't end up paying a huge amount of fine. So these are all regarding the parking laws as well as the speed. The last is the new traffic signs. So I have taken like 5 or 6 of them. So these are mainly concerning like how they handle the cyclists as well as a new parking shield for car sharing people. So the information is as follows. Like you see on the symbol, this is having a green arrow. This means that the cyclist can turn the car towards the right without any problem. If you see the symbol, it is advisable to stop the car, wait for 2-3 seconds, see if anybody is coming, and then you can turn your car along with the cyclist path. So this is normally has been done so far without any law, but now it's a law for us to do that. I mean, for the cyclist having a permission to turn like that, even if it's red for them. So this is one thing which you have to keep in mind. And the other symbol which you see is a bicycle only zone. So these symbols will come up quickly. So in this zone, other participants are not allowed to drive, and also you have to maintain, even the cyclists have to maintain a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. This is quite important. In addition to this is, as I already told in one of my previous videos, you have to maintain a distance of 1.5 meters in city and 2 meters also outside the city from the cyclist, so that this is the prescribed safety distance also. So these are all the several small things with cyclists. The other point with cyclists is there are also new plates which will show that you cannot overtake a cyclist in a particular stretch of road. So please remember the symbol, this is quite new. And last two is, one is regarding the parking of car sharing. So only this is for professional car sharing portals. So if you have this cars, then if you're having the service, then you have to put this particular shield on your car, on the windshield, as well as you will see these zones. So there are other zones for like cargo bikes coming up, and also few more symbols. So I hope this was a short gist of the current traffic rules which is coming up. If I missed something or if there is any change, please to put in the comment section so that everyone else could be aware of. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'll come once again with another video. Please do subscribe and support me for this, and see you in another video. Bye bye.